Hi, I'm Dr. Shadi Amri, your physics instructor. Let's continue with the significant figure. Now we will discuss about the rule for the addition and subtraction. What is this rule? The rule said that the number of significant figure is determined by the starting number with the largest uncertainty. What means the largest uncertainty? The largest uncertainty means the fewest digits to the right of the decimal point. Okay? If, for example, we measure this nail, the length of this nail, you can see that the measurements is always with some degree of uncertainty. For example, if we use the ruler, the length will be 2.8 centimeter. If we use another tool, the length will be 2.85 centimeter. Here, it's not the same number of digits after the decimal point. Which one is more accurate? The more accuracy means the number with the more digits to the right of the decimal point. So which one has large uncertainty? Of course, the number with the fewest digits to the right of the decimal point is large uncertain, has large uncertainty. So here the command said more accurate measurements, 2.85, because it has more digits to the right of the decimal point. It's clear to think of uncertainty and accuracy. Let's move to our example now. What is the relationship between this uncertainty and this degree of uncertainty and the significant figures and the addition and the subtraction using significant figures? Of course, there is a relationship. Here, how many digits to the right of the point in the first number? We have 1, 2, 3, 3 digits. Okay. How many digits in here in this example? We have 1 digit. 2. How many digits in this number after the decimal point? We have 2 digits. According to this rule, which one we will choose for the result? The result has the largest uncertainty. The largest uncertainty, that means the fewest digits to the right of the decimal point. Which one has the fewest digits to the right of the decimal point? We have just 1 digit to the right of the decimal point in the number 138.2. If we put this operation in the calculator, the result will be 153.613. So how many digits to the right of the point we have to choose? We have to choose just 1. So our result will be 153.6. But please be careful. We have to look at this number after the last digit to the right of the decimal point. Here we have 1. 1 is less than 5, so we have to round to the 0, and our result will be 153.6. I think it's clear. Let's move to the second example. In our second example, we have 23.2 liter plus 14 liter. Here, there is very important note that I want to share with you. Here, of course, you have to check the unit. For the addition or the subtraction, we have to check the unit. The unit must be the same in all the numbers that we want to sum or to subtract. In our case, it's okay. The unit is the same, both of them in liter, so it's okay. Let's move. Here, how many digit after the point? We have just 1 digit. Here, we don't have any digit after the point. So what we will choose, the highest uncertainty. That means without digit after the decimal point. Very good. And our result from the calculator is 37.2. So what we will choose? We will choose only 37. But as I told you many times, we have to check these 2 after the last number that we will choose, after the last digit that we will choose. This 2 is lower than 5, so we will not round. We will round to the 0, and our result is only 37. Don't forget to write the unit liter. It's okay. Let's move. The third example said 55.3 seconds plus 11.799 seconds. The unit, it's okay for both. So let's move. Here, how many digits to the right of the decimal point? Here we have just one digit. How many digits here to the right of the decimal point? We have 3 digits. So which one we will choose? Of course, with the highest uncertainty. That means 1 point to the right of the decimal point. One digit to the right of the decimal point. In this example, we get the result 67.099 seconds. So how many digits after the point? We will choose just one digit, but as I told you, you have to be very careful. Here we have 9. 9 is greater than 5. So what we will do, we have to round. What we will round? We will round this 0 to the 1. Why? Because 9 is greater than 5. Okay? It's greater than 5. So we have to round this 0 to the 1. So our result will be 6, 7 point. We will choose just one digit after the point. So it will be 0.1. And don't forget the unit, it's a second. And this is our result. It's okay. Let's move to the last, before the last. Okay, here we have how many significant figure, how many digits after the point? We have 2. Here we have 1. So which one we will choose? The highest uncertainty. The result from the calculator is 12.17. We will choose just one digit to the right of the decimal point. But as I told you, you have to be so careful. This 7 is greater than 5, so we have to round. Okay, what we will round? We will round this one. We round 1 to 2. And the result will be, of course, 12.2 centimeter. Very good. This is our result. Let's move to the last example. In the last example, we have the unit is kilometer, meter. Okay. So what we will do, we will convert all of them to the meter. All of them to the meter. It's okay because it's not the same unit as I told you. For the multiplication, for the addition or the subtraction, we have to get the same unit in all the starting numbers. So 350.55 kilometer is equal. It's equal to 350,550 meter, and of course now we can subtract. So the result from the calculator gives 116,202. How many significant figure here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 significant figures. We don't have any digit after the point. How many significant figure here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 significant figures. So which one we will choose? We will choose 5 significant figures. This 0, it's not count because it's a trailing 0, and we don't have any decimal point. Okay, so we can see here that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 significant figures. These 2 we will not choose. But if we round these 2 to the 0, what's the result? 116,200. How many significant figure? In this case, we don't have 5 significant figures. We have only 4. So what we will do in this case? In this case, we will erase this 0. We will put a point here to count this 0 as a significant figure. Okay, this is a trailing 0. It's only count when we have a decimal point, and now we have a decimal point, but the result is different. So what we will do, we will multiply by 10. Like that, we get the same result, and we get the 5 significant figures of the starting number, and we put here meter. Any question? Thank you so much. See you in the next video.